This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must sign into the Google account used for Gmail, so start there. Once signed in, open Google My Activity from Data and Privacy. This is where Google stores search and app interactions. Make sure to use the account selector at the top if you manage multiple accounts, and immediately choose filters by date and product. This lets you target Gmail-related activity versus broad web searches. Start filtering now so you see only relevant records. Don't waste time toggling other settings. Once done with the account and filter screen, set a date range that covers when you think the searches occurred. Choose all time if unsure. Then select the product filter, pick Gmail if available, or search to capture queries typed inside Gmail. Make sure to apply the filter, then scroll through the ordered list. When you find an entry, expand it to see the exact query text and timestamp. This shows how and when you searched inside Gmail. Take screenshots or copy items if you need a record. To finish, export any records you want to keep using Google Takeout, then delete individual items or set auto-delete rules and activity controls to stop future retention. Make sure to clear only what you intend to remove, because deletion is permanent for that account. If search history entries are missing, verify you were signed into the same account when searching and that web and app activity was enabled. Also check device sync. If sync was off, those queries won't appear. Enable it and repeat searches going forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.